say congratulations to Larry Schwartz. He is the North American president of Diageo. This is Taking Stock on Bloomberg Radio.
This has been an encore presentation of Bloomberg Taking Stock with Bim Fox. The show was recorded earlier. Join us at our regular. This has been an encore presentation of Taking Stock with Bim Fox and Carol Charlie Rose. Join us at our regular time, weekday afternoons at 2 p.m. Eastern on Bloomberg Radio. Exploring and defining the issues of the moment. The new BloombergView.com. Business, finance, politics, culture. The new BloombergView.com. Insightful opinions from the stellar roster of columnists you hear on Bloomberg Radio.
I'm William Pesek.
I'm Margaret Carlson.
I'm Clive Crook.
I'm Paula Dwyer.
I'm Al Hunt.
The new BloombergView.com, a responsive redesign that scales seamlessly to any screen size, from mobile to tablet to desktop. Check it out today at BloombergView.com. Bloomberg Best. Exclusive stories as selected by Bloomberg top editors around the world.
I'm Catherine Cowdery.
And I'm Charlie Teller.
From our London bureau, just call it the new neutral. When Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen and Bank of England Governor Mark Carney begin lifting interest rates from record lows, investors are betting the benchmark stay below historic averages. Interest rate swaps show the U.S. federal funds rate will crest at 3.1% in 5 years, below the average of 4.8% in the 20 years ending in 2007. The key BOE rate may top out at 2.8%, about half its long-run average of 5%.
Tara LaChapelle in our New York bureau writes about the success plan for
Vince McMahon, who controls the voting power of World Wrestling Entertainment, or WWE.
The $2.3 billion company has been entertaining spectators with stage fights for decades. National Alliance Capital Markets says companies from Comcast to Madison Square Garden may line up with offers.
From our New York bureau, the Federal Reserve's attempt to lift inflation to a level that would reflect a healthier U.S. economy is starting to take hold in the bond market. Data compiled by Bloomberg shows that for the first time in 19 months, investors are stepping up their buying of exchange-traded funds that hold treasuries tied to cost of living increases. At the same time, inflation expectations over the next 5 years surpassed 2% to reach the highest level since last May.
From our Calgary and Chicago bureaus, Russia's $160 billion in oil and natural gas exports may be President Vladimir Putin's most potent weapon to limit punitive measures in connection with the political turmoil in Ukraine. The European Union today imposed travel visa bans and froze assets on 21 individuals.